as you can see now in this page, the website is not very beautiful. So now we are going to add some style by using the materializecss. Now we go to the documentations and we go to the getting start page and we copy the CDN and then we paste it to our index page, and we also copy the navbar and then we paste to the body, and then if we refresh, you can see the navbar already exists here, and we do not have other pages, so we just delete the other list items and we just have the link to the add items. And also we are going to list out the items, so we're going to use this with the secondary content, and then we paste underneath the navbar. Now you go to the page, you can see the list already exists here, and we do not need the first name. And also we should also make this logo and add item to more center, and we also do the same in the body. So we are going to add the container class inside the navbar, and also we are going to add the container div here, and then we paste all the list items inside the div. And we can also delete the first name. And we refresh the page, you see this look more beautiful, but we missed the send icon. And if you look at the getting start page, you will see actually we also need to import the Google Fonts in order to get the icon. So we copy this and also paste to our header. Now if we refresh the page, all the icons exist here. And then we also change the logo to another name, the CRUD. Now you can see the logo already changed. And then we do almost the same things inside our add items. So we copy the whole page and we replace the old one. Now we go to the materializecss input form, and we can copy this div, and then we delete all the items inside the container and replace with the form. Now we can go to the add item. In here we should change this to // and then delete the .html, because inside our app.js we are going to go to the route /add item instead of the .html. So we go to the page. If we refresh the page and click on the add item, now you can see it already go to the import form. And then we are going to modify the page. So the first thing is we do not want the account circle. We are going to use the shopping cart because this is the item name. Now we replace this with item name. And also we add a name is equal to name, so we can get this variable later by using this name. And same with the next input field, we add the name is equal to price, because this is going to set the price. And the icon is request code. And at last we are going to add the button. And remember, this should be inside the form because we are going to use the submit. So we add the class is equal to btn, and we add the name is add item. Now if we refresh the page, you can see the add item here, and we have the item name and also the price, and all the icons already revised correctly. And at last we are going to edit the error page. So we do not want to just display the text. So we again copy from the index page and paste to the error page. And then we delete the content inside the container div. And at here, because we want to center all the content, we type center align. And then we paste the icon. And at the materialize CSS icon, you can see there is sentiment very dissatisfied. And we copy this word and paste to this page. And also we type some text, for example, oops, and this is 404 page log found. Now we go to refresh the page, and you can see the icons and also the text, but the icon is too small. So now we are going to make this as a large icon. So we add the class large, and we refresh, and you can see this icon is larger. So we already finished all the page with styles.